Hi, my name is Paige, and we are about to blow the insulation into these walls. We've cut our holes. We've filled our insulator blower outside. You do leave the blower outside so that it doesn't get as dusty. This is a two-person job. Amelia's outside, and she's going to be loading the insulation into the blower. So my step is I'm going to wear my mask, and then I'm going to simply put this hose, which comes with the insulator blower when you rent it, into my hole. I'm actually going to kind of angle it down as it comes on, and then as the it starts to fill up, I'm going to pull this out, and then when I'm done, I'm going to communicate with Amelia and tell her, okay, that one's filled, and then I will go to my next hole. Pretty simple stuff. When you are blowing your insulation, you want to make sure that the slide gate is open on your insulator. There's an adjustment, and also that your wiring is not coiled up, or else it won't give as much flow with the insulator, and you won't get what your desired effect is.